Good morning, children. Today we discuss about the linear momentum in the same topic, law of motion. Linear momentum of a body is the product of mass and its velocity. Linear momentum is denoted by P. Linear momentum is the product of mass and velocity. M is the mass, V is the velocity, where P is the linear momentum, M the mass of the body, V the velocity of the body. Velocity of the body. Linear momentum is the vector quantity because mass is the scalar but velocity is the vector quantity. So the product of one scalar unknown vector quantity is always vector quantity. And now the vector form we have to write P vector equal to M is the scalar quantity, so we don't apply the arrow at the top of the symbol, into V vector. It's the vector form of representation of linear momentum. Let us consider if any body is moving with initial velocity u and after delta t second time interval the velocity becomes v. So initial velocity u and final velocity becomes v after delta t second. So first find out the linear momentum, initial linear momentum P1 equal to m u, where m is the mass of the body and u is the initial velocity of the given body, and P2 is the final linear momentum equal to m into v. Final linear momentum is the product of mass and final velocity. Now find out the change in linear momentum. So delta P equal to final linear momentum P2 minus initial linear momentum P1. Now put the value of P2 and P1. mv minus mu. Take the common m. So mv minus u. So delta P equal to m in bracket v minus u. The change in linear momentum. The velocity of the body is changed from u to v in time interval delta t. So dividing this equation by delta t, so delta p upon delta t equal to m v minus u upon delta t equal to m. V minus u is change in velocity, that is final velocity minus initial velocity on time interval, and everyone knows the rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration, so it is m into a. So delta p upon delta t, so the change in linear momentum is equal to the product of mass and acceleration. Mass and acceleration. In vector form, how can I write it? Delta p upon delta t equal to mass is the scalar quantity and acceleration is the vector quantity. Now write the unit of the linear momentum. How can find the unit? According to this relation, P equal to m into v. Unit of P is unit of mass into unit of velocity. So unit of mass is kg and unit of velocity is meter per second. So kg meter per second, the SI unit or MGS unit of the linear momentum. In CGS unit, kg in the place of kg you have to write gram, the place of meter it is centimeter, and per second. So the unit of the time in MKS and CGS both is represented by the second. So gram centimeter per second, or in MKS system SI unit of the linear momentum kg meter per second. Thank you.